Okay, now what is the thought for today? Anyone knows what is the thought for today? Yes, chalo.
No.
No one knows?
No.
Okay, wait. Okay, thought for today is that whatever you do in your life, okay,
Ma'am,
when no books,
I can say
हाँ बेटा,
no books, no life. No books, no life.
yes, means what? One is if there is no books, okay, there is no life. What it is? There is no life, right? And no books. When we know books, when we understand books, okay, we understand our life. What do we understand, beta? We understand our life. Means
Life.
yes. When the meaning of this one meter, beta, is that if we say no to books, okay, we do not have a proper life to live. Is it clear? What do we not have? We do not have a proper life to live, right? We are less educated, we are less literate. So what will happen if we don't know anything about literature? Then what will happen? We won't be able to live a good lifestyle. When you know English, you can communicate with people in English, right? Right or wrong?
Right.
So the same way, when we know people, when we are very much, when we are aware of the language, the speaking abilities, attitudes, then means what? We know books. हमने books को पढ़ा है, right? And that is the reason that we are more, civilized than the people who are not civilized. Do you get my point? So it is better to say and or no to books, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you should know books.
Yes, ma'am.
KNOW, know books, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chalo, now as our exams are starting in this week, we are going to do the revision. Okay, boys, are you ready
Okay.
with your books?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Rough notes and pencils and pens. Everyone is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen and we'll be starting. Yes. First we will do the long question answers, then we will do the short ones. Two long question answers are there, okay? Then you will see without seeing from my screen the long LQ, okay? Yes. A family where only mother, father, their children live together, okay, is called a nuclear family. What it is called, beta?
Nuclear family.
Nuclear family. Nuclear family means the center point. What does nuclear mean? Only nuclear word का meaning क्या होता है? Nuclear खाली
Center
center point.
point.
हाँ, and nuclear family का मतलब क्या होता है? The center point of larger groups of relatives who lives elsewhere. जो कहीं और रहते हैं. Okay? Nuclear families generally come up when people move out. When does it come up, beta? When people move out, especially from their hometowns to other places in search of jobs. In search of what do they go, beta?
Hometown.
हाँ, in search of jobs, in search of education, search of jobs, right? Right
Yes.
or wrong?
Yes.
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 In such a situation, maintaining ties with a member of the extended family becomes a bit difficult. Is it clear?
Yeah. Mm.
Yes. Chala. So who will read this answer?
मैं read करूँ?
Yes, and you will write also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta, say. Everyone is noting down the answer, no?
Yes.
Nuclear family. A family where only the mother, nuclear father and
Father,
their children,
very good. And their
father
children.
and their children live together is called a nuclear family.
Very good. Then,
Nuclear means the center point, and a nuclear is the center point of a large group of relatives who live elsewhere. Nuclear family
very
generally
good.
s- sa- come up when people move out, especially from their hometown to other places in search of work in such a situation
Situation. बोलो फिर से
situation
situation.
maintaining ties with member of the extended family becomes a bit difficult.
Very good. A bit difficult. Bit means what? Little difficult. Okay.
What no bit means?
Little difficult becomes a little difficult.
Little difficult.
Huh. Because when only parents, mother and father are looking care for the children, sometimes child, sometimes children, कभी कभी दो तीन children भी होते हैं, कभी कभी एक child भी होता है, तो it becomes a bit difficult, right? से किसी को स्कूल भेजना है, मदर पेरेंट फादर मदर दोनों जॉब करते हैं, तो it becomes a bit difficult to take care of the child, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so written everyone.
Yes, ma'am. मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन मैं रीड करूंगा.
Okay, yes. Will you like to revise the first one?
ओके.
Yes, someone's phone is ringing. Please make your phone silent.
क्या वक्त आवड़त છે?
Yes, beta, can you revise?
Yes. Nuclear family. A family where only the mother, father, and the children live together is considered a
मैम इसका माइक वर्क नहीं कर रहा है.
Yes, beta, your voice is not coming.
बजाओगे तो कैसे होगा?
हाँ बेटा,
वो बजा रहे हैं ना टुर करके.
what happened बेटा?
Center
माइक
point
वर्क
of
नहीं कर रहा है उसका.
a group of relation who live elsewhere. Nuclear families generally come up when people move out, special from
Special नहीं, special नहीं है. What is the word? Read the spelling. Especially, especially.
especially from their hometown to another place in search of work. In such a civilization, maintaining ties with members of the extended family because a bit difficult.
A bit difficult. You can also write a little difficult. Okay. Hello, who will say without saying now? Who will say without saying?
Ma'am Nurul Abbas.
Okay, chalo say. I'm not showing you. Okay.
Sir, no ma'am.
Okay, you would like
Okay,
to
you would
read?
like to read? Yes. A nuclear and a family when only the mom, father, and their
Mother.
children.
Mom
Mother,
nahi.
mom नहीं
Mother.
mother. मदर को मॉम नहीं बोलता, मदर बोलता. Mom, father, and their children live together in is called a nuclear family. Their children live together,
Live
taught, live taught
together. Together. बोलो बेटा.
together is called a nuclear family. Nuclear means the central point of a nuclear family.
Center point.
Central point and a nuclear family is the general general no no no
What is your good name, beta?
Nurul Abbas.
Acha. Okay, Mohammed Abbas, you have not written this answer in your fair book?
मैम मैंने रीड करो देखे बगैर.
बगैर मैम मैंने भी फेसबुक कंप्लीट है.
चलो say fast, then we will do next to
मैम
short note.
लेसन 1 और 2 की पीडीएफ दोबारा से डाल देना, मैं कल ही ज्वाइन किया.
चलो fast बेटा से है ना.
ओके मैम. बगैर देखे ना.
Yes, without saying, see where you can see the question. You can only see
हाँ.
the question, short note.
Okay, okay. Nuclear family. A family where only the mother, father, and their children live together is called a nuclear family. Nuclear means the center point, and a nuclear family is the center point of a larger group of relatives who live
Okay.
elsewhere.
Elsewhere, kya hai? Elsewhere.
Elsewhere, elsewhere, nuclear family generally come up when people move out, especially from their hometown to other place in work, search of work. In such a situation,
Yeah.
situation
In such a
many
situation, comma, where there is a comma, you have to have a pause. Okay. In such a situation, comma, maintaining ties.
आप तो आंसर दिखा रहे हो.
But you are also reading from somewhere and saying better.
मैं तो बुक में से लिख कर हूँ ना.
Yes, but you have to say without saying, I said.
तो वो तो मुश्किल है मैम.
That is what no, I'm making you learn. Chalo, now we will do second answer, joint family system. Chalo, read
Okay.
beta.
Joint family system.
Yes, read beta.
Answer. Where grandparents, children, and grandchildren all live together, it is called a joint family system. The head of the family is usually a senior most family member like a grandfather or grandmother. लिविंग. मैम ये सब लोग चैट बॉक्स में बातें कर रहे हैं.
Yes, who is talking in the chat box?
रूहान और ये मेहंदी रजा.
मैम मैं अब पीडीएफ का पूछ रहा हूँ.
Please don't talk. PDF I have already been sending you. Saturday भी मैंने सारे send किए थे. Please pay attention right now in the revision.
Living in
ઇંગ્લિશની મારી આગળ નથી.
I had sent you the textbook PDF also, beta.
મેમ તમને નહીં રૂહાનને કહું છું.
But beta, pay
ઇંગ્લિશની
attention, yaar.
સેકન્ડ
एक्स्ट्रा नोट फेयर बुक में लिखने की है।
Yes, you have to write the short notes. You have to learn as well. That is why I'm doing revision.
સર ગીવ
यस
મેમ
मैम।
કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં ઇંગ્લિશની નહીં તો આની નાખ દેજો ચેપ્ટર 1 2.
Chalo, fast, beta, revise.
Okay, ma'am. Living in a joint family has many advent, advantages over a nuclear family. In a joint family, the weak can depend on. मैम ये क्या होता है जॉइंट फैमिली यानी तो अभी तो न्यूक्लियर फैमिली पढ़ा था ना।
हाँ, now it's the second short note, the joint family.
अच्छा अच्छा मैं समझा। मोस्ट कहाँ था मैं
Read from first when you
adventures
forget.
most importantly more values skills and knowledge can be passed down from one uh, generation to another.
Yes. So now I'm saying the answer, okay? Chalo, everyone is writing, no?
मैम लिखना है
Yes, beta.
मुझे क्या पता लिखना है मैं तो अभी 10 मिनट पहले भी ज्वाइन की हूँ.
Okay. Written? Given the question?
मैम आपका टाइम खत्म हुए ना हुआ मैम आप चैप्टर 1 और 2 की पीडीएफ याद से डाल देना.
Chalo, I am dictating the answer, okay? All of you write down. When grandparents, children, and grandchildren all live together, it is called a joint family system. See, I explained you previously what is nuclear family. Father and their children live together is called nuclear family. And when grandparents, children, and grandchildren all live together, it is called a joint family. Is it clear? The head of the family is usually senior most family member. Who is he? Senior most family member, like grandfather or grandmother. Like a grandfather or grandmother. Living in a joint family has many advantages over nuclear family. In a joint family, the weak can depend on the strong. On whom can he depend? We can depend on the strong. ओके यहाँ पे देखो आपको खास एक बात याद रखनी है. वीक का स्पेलिंग क्या है? WEAK. ओके, you don't have to write WEEK. Anas, understood? Why no one is replying?
Yes ma'am.
Why you are not replying?
मैम मैं वॉशरूम गया था इसलिए.
Yes. Okay. So what is the spelling of week here? Can you say me without seeing? Week का spelling क्या है?
किसका मैम?
Week.
वीक. WEAK वीक.
Very good. WEEK नहीं, okay?
WEAK.
Can depend on strong and many tasks. Like child care can be shared. Okay, shared એટલે કે you share your lunch boxes, right? That is what give and take. So in joint family, child care can be shared. Okay,
Mm.
clear? Most importantly, moral values, skills, and knowledge can be passed down from one generation to another. From whom it can be passed down, beta? From one generation to another. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. मैम वॉइस
बेटा
कटिंग हो रही है.
आंसर बेटा
Okay, ma'am. When grandparents, children, and grandchildren all live together, it is called a joint family system. The head of the family is usually the senior most family
senior
member.
most senior नहीं senior most
Senior, senior most family member like a grandfather or grandmother. Living in a joint family has many advantages over a nuclear family. In a joint family, the weak can depend on the strong, and many tasks like child care can be shared. Most importantly, moral values, skills, and knowledge can be passed down from one generation to another.
another another चलो खत्म अब another answer है ना
Okay.
है ना अनस बोले છે ને
हाँ.
another કેવી રીતના બોલવાનો another चलो understood everyone till here
Yes, ma'am.
चलो anyone else would like to revise answer number 2 or we will do another answers okay we'll do another okay now we will do what is genes okay there are also some
मैम इसमें
physical
आंसर ये ही नहीं तो मैं वो पीडीएफ में आंसर नहीं है तो मैं वो लिखूंगा कैसे आंसर सब पीडीएफ में आंसर ही नहीं है
है भाई
फेसबुक
तू
कैसे
अच्छे से देखना
अनस है कि नहीं
कॉलेज नाइकी में मैं पीडीएफ
मैम अभी आपने पीडीएफ डाली ना, उसमें पूरे आंसर लिखे हुए हैं.
पूरे आंसर लिखे हुए हैं, पागल
मैम वो टेक्स्ट बुक की
टेस्ट
बात कर रहा है.
टेक्स्ट बुक
ટેક્સ્ટ
की
બુકમાં તો
पीडीएफ
ન જોઈ ને બેટા
तो क्या
टेक्स्ट
मैम
એ ઉપર મોકલી લીધો
हाँ जी मैम राइट इन हिंदी फेसबुक
હા ले
हिंदी बुक आती है.
મેમ એની
એની નીચે
ઉપરનું
હશે
નથી
એ નુરુ
हिंदी
લુંગડા
बुक ने
આન્સર આવ્યું
ઉપરનું
જતું
ઉભા રહે
चलो बेटा you check it later on बेटा write down pay attention in the चलो बेटा आंसर
मैम मेरे को तो मिल गया.
मेरे को भी मिल गया मेरे को तो कल ही मिला
सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस क्लास बुक टेक्स्ट बुक अच्छे
मैम मेरे को लेसन 2 की वो चाहिए
એ મને નાખ દેજે અનાસ મને નાખ દેજે અનાસ
नाक्स
pay
दीदी જોઈ લે.
attention यार
ओके मैम.
ઓકે
ओके ओके एवा जाना.
hope your problem is solved and pay attention यार चलो बेटा
Okay,
what
ma'am.
is genes answer बोलो बेटा
There are also some physical
features
features and habits that may be similar to members of our extended family. These physical features and habits are transferred to the next generation by units of
Heredity. Heredity.
heredity called genes. मतलब आप समझा नहीं मैं मम्मी व्हाट
What
इज
is
जीन्स
genes?
समझा नहीं मैं अभी मतलब
Okay, I'll explain. Wait. There are also some physical features and habits that may be similar to members of our extended family. हमारे members family के members से हमें mix होते हैं जैसे दिखते हैं. These physical features and habits are transferred to next generation by units of heredity, which is called a genes. What is it called? Genes, right?
Jeans.
चलो
व्हाट इज
everyone के लिए चलो show me now your class work everyone. One by one, show me your class work. Chalo, who has written the work? Show me, please. Boys, please show me your work. Chalo, fast. Anas,
यस मैम
show me your class work, beta. Show me
ओके
your
ओके
playbook. Come on, fast, boys. Show me your class work. Class में अभी जो लिखा वो दिखाओ. No one is showing the class work. Who is showing? Mohammed, say me your full name. Mohammed, say me your full name. You are showing the class work. आप आपका full name बताओ बेटा. Very good. Mohammed, what is your full name?
Anas.
Okay, Anas. Very good, Anas. Only Anas is showing. Others, what about others? Very good, Anas. Very good, Anas. चलो. No one is showing the classwork, right?
मैम
हाँ बेटा.
मैम मैं तो अभी अभी joined हुआ हूँ.
Why you are joining late then? All of you,
मैम
listen carefully. You can get the textbooks from the Samir Bookstalls, okay? Textbooks are now available. I had gone to Samir Bookstall on Saturday और मैंने उनको पूछ लिया था तो वहाँ पे अब टेक्स्ट बुक मिल रही है ओके
यस मैम मेरे घर भी आ गया
ओके मैम.
यस okay boys all of you if you want okay I am not saying you forcibly
यस मैम मैंने तो सुन लिया
okay
मैं भी
others can download from the YouTube sorry YouTube नहीं others can download from the WhatsApp group okay chalo bye all of you
बाय मैम
yes
बाय मैम.
Bye, ma'am.
रोहन ए मम्मा देना. हेलो रोहन
यस
है ना
बोलो
PDF આવી યાર
कहीं
હું તને નાખ દે ચેપ્ટર 2 નું.